Hello, in this video we'll be going over the Logix Communicator PC version, setup and overview. We will go over the setup of the communicator and an overview of the sections of the communicator. Okay, so we're going to start off here. We just finished installing the application, so it will start up and it will ask you for a username and password. So the username will always be the user's phone number, so they'll type in their phone number for their username. And the password will be the same password they use for the myphone.mylogix.com portal. So it's the same username and password across all items for the Business Voice Cloud. After you put your phone number and your password in, you can go ahead and click Remember Password and sign in automatically, and that will remember your password and sign you in automatically. So we go ahead and click Sign In. This will take us into the application. And the first thing that's going to pop up is you will pop up on the main screen. So you have your contacts up here at the top. And with the contacts, these are all the people that you have added into your contacts. So local people in your office. This will start off blank, and as you add people, you'll see people pop up in here. Chat history. So this will be all your chats that you have with individuals. So the chats will be in the chat tab. Call history. So this is the call history. So this will be all of the call history for all of the different calls you've made in and out of your phone. This also is a chat history for your desk phone as well. And then we have the dial pad. So this is where you can dial numbers in and out of the system. And then we have our directory. So these are all the people that are in your company. So all the employees and everyone's in there. You can search and find them. Up at the bottom is our config tab. So this is all of the admin and config on the backside. So the general tab is all the general information. When the program runs, all the settings when they ask for information. Then we have media. So this is going to be what microphone you're using, which video web camera you're using. So this is where you change any of your media settings. Incoming calls. This is where you change any of your incoming call settings. Turn do not disturb, anonymous call rejection, call waiting, any of those on or off. Outgoing, so this is where you set up any outgoing, highlight to dial or click to dial stuff, block my caller ID. Voicemail, so this is where you set up any of your voicemail options. If you want it to go to email, carbon copy, how many times it rings, all those options for voicemail. And finally, advanced. So this is where you can turn on detailed logging, you can show the log files or set up a proxy. So those are all the icons over on the left. Up at the top, you have your name, you have your presence, your location, and what's on your mind, so a string line that people can see. And then finally over to our far right is our My Room. So this is your My Room where you can make calls into your conference room, video calls, calls from your phone, and then you can also screen share inside there, and you can send out invitation and guest join links from here. We'll cover this in a future video for the My Room. This has been a review of the setup and overview for the Logix Communicator PC version. Thanks for watching.